Well, me not say she an idiot, but I feel like we must be able to come on. You're not way too sure about we before because I feel like we're not really too consider our feelings.
Look, me did pray to you know. I don't want she go through this again. So once we decide that this we're gonna do, I have to stick to it.
You sure say this you want? Because me know what me want to know.
I mean, what me want. But things happen in the past. I have to consider that. I know how we're gonna deal with it when it forward again.
So that means say no matter what personal issues we have, we can't make it affect she. Honestly, I feel like she wants somebody to calm me. I'm willing to take that up.
You know things to see as a mother already.
Yeah, but I think she wants it formalized. Because she asked me, she never asked me with what's in her mouth. She asked me if we are back together.
She asking that just blatantly so.
Chris, I realize that's when you have no one I see that already have 4 years ago, right? Listen, she grew up now and she gonna have questions and the questions are gonna need answers. And you know who can lie to she?
Alright. We not lie to her. We not tell her the whole truth. We just have to do what we have to do and take our time, go. Because me don't want nothing to happen and cause a problem.
You think say something like that?
I'm not saying nothing to happen, but you don't know life and you might hear something and you don't know my words there and you have to out them, you have to talk to people, you know. And you're jealous already, so that's it.
Oh, I'm not trying to put everything over yourself on me. I mean more way you do. But do you remember some my ears them up here? So when me need from you is transparency, honesty, and keep it real with me.
Tell me the truth. When I say yes, son.
Okay, until I go?
Yeah.
You see that earring something here? It very radical sometimes. Sometimes I hear upon good terms. I don't hear a thing near everybody else's business but earrings. You see, anytime you start to go on, and them tell me to start here.
So what that mean by when we go off?
After me, I know, don't ask me that mean. I mean, if you ask you,
No, we don't normally go off. I mean like certain things we can just stay to yourself, but yeah, I tell you eventually, right?
eventually.
So
Eventually.
I want to ask you one more question. So like how would you know you're nothing?
Someone know you're not lie. Mm. So, we're upon good terms, sir. You're not nothing to hide, right?
Yes, but we're on good terms.
Mm-hmm.
We're not hide nothing. And accept this.
Except me. Why you get pimple?
Which part?
What's a pimple big? What's that? How you know? You get this sentence on?
I'm blockhead.
Yes. I think I find my leave, right?
Alright.
So tomorrow we go to the supermarket, yeah?
Yeah.
And then we go pick you up. We go to the supermarket. Then we go come back and we go put on the things them here so. And then when we're done that, we can just go back home and then I see the next thing. Alright, Franny?
Right.
Right. Right. Uh,
What you look for?
my key. Look at that. Look at that smear.
And this you left it?
Yeah, I'm left it right there, son. Destiny, baby. Is it key?
Your house key or your car key?
My house key in the car, but I can't find the car key.
Are you sure say you come in here with it?
Remember I said I carried the key, can't lock in the car now.
That means that maybe the door not locked. Check the door.
No, you see the window then sitting in? That means they lock. No, I'm not gonna get off of Marcus. I'm not gonna get off. We literally have the key right there, so.
But no go outside. So maybe it drop when you go outside.
You know what I'm
And
saying?
walk in the track so no walk.
Yeah, but me not go outside with the key.
Well, if you can't find the key, you maybe have to go stay here till tomorrow. I'm just a say, Franny.
Look, go see if I see the key outside.
Yeah, mega walk the whole street if I have to find it.
Wanna walk? Look this up.
Right? Boy, I'ma just have to go walk the whole street if I have to. I realize the shadow. I think just sick.
Hide it.
Well, unfortunately, the key is nowhere to be found, Chris. So I guess I'm going to have to stay here tonight. But on the couch, do you know?
No man, you know me not gonna do that. Now that to a friend. Good friend, no. Me take the couch and you take the bed.
I'm such a good friend.
Yeah. Destiny, you wanna stay in there with her?
No. I have my room. I'll leave you to it.